Hi guys, my name is Taylor Mathis. I'm officially an RN and I passed Next Gen NCLEX using the V2 program. Okay, I graduated back in 2020. I used nursing.com, Nursing Mastery. I even used some of the really expensive ones like Kaplan and UWorld, but they didn't do it for me. They didn't work. Until one day I was scrolling through Facebook and I found the ad for ReMar. I clicked it, read about it, decided that that was for me. I ended up investing in myself one last time. Even though I felt like a failure, I felt like I was so discouraged, I didn't think I was ever going to be able to do it. Where I had taken the test 4 times beforehand and I'd used multiple different programs, I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. But with the help of Mark and Regina and the whole staff at ReMar, you will be able to do it. Personally for me, I did the program for 4 weeks, the V2, did that program for 4 weeks, and then I added a week on top of it to do the Quick Facts book. A week on top, I did the Quick Facts, I followed the study program to a T. It was hard because that program takes a lot of your time. It takes a lot of your time, but if you're not consistent and stuff, you're not going to pass. So follow it to a T. It sucks because you're not going to get to go out, really. You're not going to get to do all the things you were doing beforehand because you have got to be consistent. I will say that I want to thank Mark and Regina for helping and for having the faith and the confidence in every single person that is using your program. Thank you so much for all of that.